Hello, welcome to Roy's the Boy. Now then, I've got one of these diesel heaters, and the most annoying thing is you can hear that pulsating noise from the pump. Have a listen. Now it's speeding up. And what that is, basically, let's just go inside the workshop here. It's because I've got it set up here. It's on this board, but where it's screwed into there, it's screwed into the shed as well. So you can actually feel the actual pulsating on these woods. So what I've come up with an idea is literally I'm going to take that screw off there, simple, and I've got this little piece of foam which was from a lawnmower air filter. So I'm going to take that off in a minute, put that on there. I'll come back and you will listen to hear the difference it makes. Right, you can still hear the pulsating of the pump here, but I'm putting my fingers on there, and trust me, I cannot feel there's virtually anything going through there. So let's go and have a look next door and see what the sound is in there. Right, as you can see, we're inside now. I've just had to turn the speed down, but have a listen. What a difference that makes. I can't feel no pulsating going on this wood here at all. And the worst thing about it is when I'm standing further back into my workshop, I could hear the noise. Now I can't hear nothing. Absolute brilliant. And all it is because the rubber on the pump is actually connected to the wood and screwed, so the vibration is going through the wood. So hope this helps, and have a try yourself. Thanks for watching.